Now, learners have been urged to embrace mathematics to not only enable them develop the ability to think logically and analytically, which is important for problem solving, but also tap the numerous opportunities provided by the subject. Now, this after a section of students from Kenya topped in the International General Certificate of Secondary Education exam. The students were among 1.5 million students from 150 countries and more than 6,000 schools who sat for Cambridge exams, that is annually assessment.
How I really achieved what I achieved was thanks to my drive and to understand these IT things, my drive to become top in the world, because I've always wanted that.
I'm very thankful for the IGCC curriculum for equipping me with analytical skills, because then that is the reason why I was able to perform really well in my IGCC sociology, where I got top in the world.
And I was able to achieve top in Kenya for the global perspective subject. The global perspective subject revolves around research, and you get to develop your research skills, you get to develop your critical thinking skills.
When we were having lessons, we were able to look at different texts, different intricate texts, where we are able to analyze writer's craft. And she, as a student, was very self-driven.
Over the years, we have produced some of the world-topping students. And this year, our student Jamal Mohammed was the best in the country in mathematics at the year 13 level. At the moment, already gone to university.
Well, that story brings Weekend at 1 to a close. I hope you've been adequately informed. I am Ashley Mazuri. I'll see you at 9 p.m. on Checkpoint. Enjoy the rest of the viewing.